Let's go through the fourth concept of basic Python concepts. So we already gone to variables, data types, and operators. Here is functions. So why we need a function in Python? So function means is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. So if we need to perform a task, if it is a large project, we know we need to perform some tasks repeatedly. So in order to make the code more easier, we are using the function. So in functions, the best use is like we need to write it only once, and we can call it wherever we need it. It will be easier to update and easier to reuse. We only need to update the main function. So let's go through an example and understand the importance of function. Here, here we can know the format like here from a class we are importing the date time. So then we'll be printing the current date and time. So, so in the class there's a method known now. So we'll be calling that method for retrieving the current date and time. So when we run this, see the output. So we can see that whenever we need this code to be used in our project, we just need to copy and paste it wherever we need. So if we need to make any changes, like if I need to make the changes everywhere, wherever I copy and paste this code needs to be changed. So it will be a hectic process. So to avoid that, if for example in a project this code is there on 10 places and we need to update we need to make any changes in the code, we need to update all these 10 places. So in order to avoid that hectic works, we are using the function. So same, first we will be importing this class, then here we will be defining a function. So you can give any name to the function. I will be giving like show date function. Then we will be giving this code. So here you can see. So okay, here you can see whenever we need to get the values in our project, we just needs to call this function. See, we'll get the output. Okay, so this is the use of the functions. We can reuse it anywhere. Hmm? We don't need to repeat this code. We just need to call. So next, let's say the function with parameters. With parameters. So parameters are something the values we pass. So we can use this anywhere in the code. For example, here you can see defined ratings. I will be giving name. I will be passing the name. So function print hello name will be passed. So when we run this code, we can call this function like hello. We can call this function any number of times. Like firstly, we will be giving the name as see, and sorry. Secondly, I can give like need to. Let's run this code. Sorry, wait 1 minute. Oh, sorry, I haven't. See, just pass the code like this. So wherever, like whatever names we need, we can change it accordingly. So parameters are used for changing the names. So next is functions with return value. Return values means we will be returning the value. The output will be function with return value. The output will be returned. We'll take a simple example like finding the sum of two numbers. For example, we will define a function add or sum. We can give like add or sum. Just pass the value. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Just pass the value like odd 3, comma 2. Any values you can give. So here will be we will be getting the output. So it returns as 5 as the values. So that is functions with return values. Okay. Thank you.